Welcome here in Wetzarbe. We're in one of the biggest plants in the All4Labels group. It's near Hamburg in Germany. This is one of our main conventional press departments we have in the group, with flexo presses, silk screen and inkjet actually here in the house. And we are here in the plate making department with our new CCC. The main focus of the old work, the manual work, was on a high flexibility in our print production and a high output due to all the different machines we had. And this came with a big drawback and some issues for future development. The main issue was that we had a very manual process, which was very hard work for the operators to handle all the different machines. We had no automation. We had no connectivity to our workflow systems. By high output during high production runs and fast print runs and so on, the operator here in the plate making department was always really in some stress situation. He made some errors and we always had some planning issues and scheduling problems. So this is what we didn't want to continue anymore, and the CrystalCleanConnect had some good answers for all these problems that we could connect to our workflow, to automate the whole process and to minimize the operator handmade work. For future development in the screening, this gives us a future option to raise the quality in print production. The plates are more stable in the longer runs, and this gives us a very good advantage in speed and quality.